Electronet India is an manufacturer and exporters of process measuring instruments. Electronet, the name stands for high-quality flow measuring instruments. Our products, services, and solutions create outstanding value across flow, level, pressure, temperature and analysis measurements. Innovative and modular technology combined with wealth of experience provide us a solid foundation. Our measuring equipments have global recognition for its high degree of process and plant reliability. All Electronet equipments are made to certified quality standards in our factory located in Pune and Satara, India. Our high level of in-house production gives us flexibility and makes sure delivery times possible. More than 25 years of experience, solving flow measuring tasks in almost all industrial sectors and in the field of nuclear power research centers, ensures measurable economic advantages for our customers. Before delivering to the customer, every instrument is calibrated on one of the many test benches in our NABL accredited flow calibration laboratory. Our product range includes electromagnetic flow meters, ultrasonic flow meters, turbine flow meters, flow elements, level transmitters, pressure transmitters and switches, analytical instruments, temperature transmitters, panel instruments. More than 2,000 customers spread over 5 continents, we are developing internationally. Improve your productivity and facilitate your production management. Electronet is your central partner for your process measuring needs. Industries we serve includes pharmaceutical industry, automation industry, chemical industry, food industry, manufacturing industry, nuclear industry.